Oh, hi. Yeah, I forgot I turned you guys on. Welcome to another episode of Playing Hooky with Kev. I am your host, Kev, and tonight, well, we got a couple things on the docket for tonight. First of all, well, the, the last part of the show, I'm gonna show you my secret river bait that I've been using. But right now, I have to take that off my rod because we have broken a rod tip. I'll set that bait to the side. Yeah, look at that. That ain't good. Unfortunately, that happens. So, what we're going to do, we're just going to make it a shorter rod. Like so. Yeah, this is usually what works when you break a rod tip. You just shorten the rod up, and all it does is make a lighter action rod out of it. I'll have to sand that off later on. But yeah, that's the gist of. I seriously was not planning on doing a rod tip lesson tonight, but things happen, life happens. So anyway, now that we got all that taken care of, what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you my river bait. So Berkeley Gulp makes a bait. It's called a Helgramite. See that? And it looks like a Dobson fly or a larvae or whatever. Ah, it smells good too. No, it really doesn't. You know, if any of you know what Berkeley Gulp smells like, you know that stuff does not smell good. Anyway, this is a perfect imitation for river fishing because Dobsons are basically what live in rivers. And seeing as how most states do not allow the use of live Dobsons, this is a good close second best thing to use. And you use it on, I'm using a 1/6 of an ounce jig head, and it's a weedless jig head. And all you do is just let the current take it, and you just slowly reel while bouncing it off the bottom. That's all I'm doing. And for any of you river fishermen, fisherwomen out there, that's going to be one of the key baits to use is just this little Helgramite. It works. Trust me. Let's see, what else do I have for you? Put this puppy back in my vest where it belongs. Well, belongs in a fish's mouth, pretty much, but oh, those are my spinners. Oh, I forgot. There we go. So, as I said on last night's video, I will be getting the GoPro ready very soon. We've got a lot coming up. Me and a couple of friends are going to Green Lake State Park in New York very soon. I'm not sure when now. It was supposed to be next week, but you know, we've all kind of had to change it because of other engagements that each of us have. So that's not a problem at all. Um, don't worry about it. Oh shoot. But I've got more content coming out for you very soon. Um, I know it's taking a lot of patience to wait up for for me to get the GoPro out, but I promise you we will get that puppy out very soon and do some fishing. Sorry, I'm trying to multitask. Excuse my little bit of messiness on my desk. Oh wait, all I gotta do is do that. Anywho, yeah, we've got more content coming out for you very soon. A lot of it's going to feature me and my friends just either fishing or doing other crazy stuff in the process. Yeah, that's about all I've got for y'all tonight. And so, with that being said, I will catch you guys later, and we'll see you on the next episode of Playing Hooky with Kev. Later.